Let's make things simple, okay? One light setup, easy breezy. I have my lamp back here, my LED. It's a newer 150, 130 watt, and it's bouncing off of this foam core right here, white foam core, bouncing off, illuminating this side of my face. And then it's bouncing there from here, and it's a fill light, okay? So this is nice and it's not so even. So also, this is acting as a hair light back here. So it separates you from the background. It's a great little setup. So yeah, I like this. I like this setup a lot. I'll show you a picture I did of myself, and then I'll bring in my nephew and I'll show you a picture I did of him. And there you go. There's your one light setup. Easy breezy. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.